Konkan Railway has been a game changer in the Indian railway industry, connecting remote regions of the western coast to the rest of the country. Now, another important project, the rail connectivity for super thermal power plant of NTPC Limited at Gadarwara, Madhya Pradesh. This project involves the construction of a lead line and a rail-over-rail ROR line with a total length of over 23 kilometers. The lead line from kilometer 0 to 920 to 10/826, along with one loop line of R&D yard and two lines of in-plant yard, was commissioned on 21st November 2019. And coal transportation commenced soon after. Subsequently, 4 more lines connecting balance 2 wagon triplers, 3 lines in R&D yard and 1 loop line in in-plant yard were commissioned. Currently, works for rail-over-rail are in progress. This project will provide a crucial rail link for the super thermal power plant, facilitating the transportation of coal and other materials. Konkan Railway has been implementing this project under Project Management Consultancy (PMC) contract since June 2014 and has successfully completed the lead line and several other lines. The ROR line is expected to be completed soon. The rail connectivity for super thermal power plant project is a testament to the Konkan Railway's commitment to connecting remote regions and facilitating economic growth. We look forward to the successful completion of this project and the benefits it will bring to the people of Madhya Pradesh and the country. Konkan Railway, we serve.